Go ahead, make a drink.
Okay. That's one.
One booze?
One booze.
What's that?
More booze, probably.
More booze?
This is pineapple juice. Or something like that. And it's a lemon. It's a limon. Toss it right in there. Oh, then we have pineapple wedges, and I'm gonna put them in here. Why not? And then the mint. I don't have a jalapeno though, like they're supposed to be, but that's okay.
Well, we'll ask for that.
No, that's okay.
No, we'll ask for that. And the cujito. You drink it right out of the pitcher?
No, I pour it into this glass with that.
I see, okay. Dun, da, da, da. Look at that. Okay, take a taste. Come on. We got a YouTube moment here. Come on.